Peel the acrylic sticker from the edge and corners. Be careful of the sharp edges. These are the names for each of the gear train components for you to get familiar with before starting the assembly. This process might take some time. It is the easiest if you start peeling from the corners. Put the pal in the ratchet gear. Put the torsion spring on top of the pal by aligning the hex holes on top of each other. Use the acrylic sheet with the word Tinkermaker. Align the two holes of the torsion spring with the holes on the acrylic sheet. The hex hole is closer to the front of the car. Take the axle with a hex shaped on one side, and put the hex side through the hex holes. Put the heart-shaped acrylic piece into the hole on the hex-shaped axle. Put the drive gear next to the ratchet gear, and align the teeth of the small gear on the drive gear with the teeth of the ratchet gear. Put the axle with 3 grooves into the holes of the drive gear, the torsion spring, and the acrylic sheet. The part where the grooves are further apart goes in first. Use a C-clip to lock the movement of the axle from outside the car. Now we see that the gears in the gear train trigger each other. Put the escapement gear through the front axle with torsion spring. The side with small gear goes in first. Put the pallet through the drive gear axle. The side that protrudes out goes in first. Make sure that 5 escapement gears' teeth are in between the pallet's prong. Put 2 C-clips into the grooves of each axle to lock all the assembled components in place. Take the wheel axle with a key in the middle, and the rear gear with a keyway, and put the gear through the axle, where the key fits the keyway. Lock the rear gear in place with 2 C-clips. Use 2 more C-clips to put into the grooves on the axles. Put the axle through the back hole of the acrylic sheet. The teeth of the rear gear should align with the teeth of the drive gear. Put the remaining wheel axles into the remain holes on the acrylic sheet. Assemble the other acrylic car sheet. Align all the holes on the acrylic sheet with all the axles. Put 2 C-clips on each of the gear axle. Assemble the clear acrylic sheets on top of the car to add stability. Put the wheels into the wheel axles. Might need some force pushing the wheels in. The assembly is almost done and the car can run now. To add traction to the wheels, put the rubber bands on the wheels. All done. Please experiment with the big wheels versus small wheels provided. Which wheels make the car go faster? Which wheels make the car go further? Which wheels enable the car to go up a slope?